this, and many more channels like Mechatronic Peter, Historian Peter, Nietzsche Peter, and countless others are absolutely blowing up on Instagram. Want to know the secret sauce behind their success? Stay tuned because I'm about to show you how you can do it step by step. Let's get started. Hey everyone. Welcome to our tutorial on how to create content that not only resonates but also goes viral on Instagram. Alright. Here's how we're going to build our AI dialogue video, step by step. First, we'll use ChatGPT to get ideas and write our dialogue. Next, I'll show you a new AI tool called Short.ai that makes everything easier. And stay tuned for Short.ai, a real game changer. Let's write a prompt to generate a dialogue about the top 5 topics people are obsessed with right now.
These topics are everywhere, from celebrity drama to viral food trends. They dominate social media and keep people hooked. Is this a good idea?
Yeah, these are well-known topics, and everyone knows them. However, there's a special reason button, a new feature that helps us dig deeper. Instead of just listing trends, it's giving us better insights and even better results for creating engaging content.
Now it looks much more better.
I'm choosing political activism as my topic and asking ChatGPT for 5 astonishing facts related to it. Once we get the 5 astonishing facts, we'll pick one of them and ask AI for even more interesting details. Finally, we'll have AI turn it into a natural conversation between two people. Now, let me introduce you to Short.ai, a revolutionary AI tool that lets you create short videos on trending topics. Whether it's AI-generated stories dialogues, like the one we're about to make, fake text Reddit stories, or other viral trends, this tool makes content creation faster and easier.
Short.ai also offers an amazing pricing plan.
The basic plan gives you 160 credits, which equals about 53 minutes of content, roughly 40 short videos, all for less than $20.
It's a fantastic deal for content creators looking to go viral. If you're interested, check out the link in the description.
Once you've signed up, here's what the dashboard looks like. You'll find different patterns for dialogue videos, animation styles for stories, templates for your shorts, and even stunning captions to make your content stand out.
For our purpose, we'll choose the dialogue generator.
This tool will help us create engaging AI-driven conversations for our video, perfect for the content we're working on.
Here, let's choose the custom script for our dialogue.
We have a bunch of characters to choose from, including some of our favorites. For this video, I'll go with Peter.
By the way, which cartoon show was your favorite in your childhood? Write your comments below.
Once we've picked our characters, I'll copy the dialogue we generated earlier and move forward. I'm repeating the same process with the other prompts. To keep things moving, I'll speed this part up so you can see how it all comes together without wasting time. Let's fast forward.
Once that's done, choose the subtitle template that resonates with the content the most. It'll help make your video more engaging and easier to follow.
Finally, select an AI voice actor based on how the character sounds. For example, if we're using a character from The Simpsons, I'll choose Simpson Hippo for that iconic sound. Let's get those details set up to bring everything to life. Once it's done, hit the Generate button.
Once our video is done, you'll be able to post it on social media with just a few clicks.
Here's what it looks like before you hit that post button, ready to go viral.
Hey, did you know that political activism on social media can mobilize millions in just seconds?
Really? How does that work?
Well, take movements like Black Lives Matter. Hashtag campaigns have the power to rally global support almost overnight. One simple hashtag has mobilized millions across the globe in seconds, turning digital chatter into massive real-world protests.
That's incredible. It's amazing how quickly people can unite for a cause online.
Absolutely. And then there's the Me Too movement. Originally coined by Tarana Burke, it exploded on Twitter with over 19 million uses, sparking widespread dialogue on sexual harassment and assault. That massive online engagement even led to changes in workplace policies.
Wow! I remember that. It really changed the conversation around sexual misconduct.
Exactly. Another astonishing fact is about record-breaking digital solidarity. For instance, the hashtag Ideal Masa Mini amassed over 80 million tweets on Persian Twitter. That kind of engagement shows how digital activism can put intense pressure on governments to address human rights issues.
80 million tweets! That's mind-blowing! It really shows the power of online voices!
It does. And here's another interesting one. Social media activism can lead to real-world legislative changes. The Free Britney movement, for example, not only raised awareness about conservatorship abuses but also spurred legislative scrutiny and reforms in conservatorship laws.
So a viral campaign online can actually influence laws? That's amazing.
Definitely. And last but not least, consider youth-driven movements like March for Our Lives. After the tragic Parkland shooting, students and young activists used social media to demand stricter gun control, leading to coordinated marches across the country and even influencing state-level legislative initiatives.
That really highlights how young people are using these platforms to shape political discourse.
For sure. It's astonishing how social media not only amplifies voices, but also drives tangible social and political change.
It's clear that digital activism isn't just talk. It's making a real impact in our society.
Exactly. Who would have thought that hashtags could change the world?
Together,
Hey, did you...
we'll continue to discover new niches and create amazing content. These dialogue videos are viral on Instagram, but why not try it on YouTube or even TikTok? If I were you, I'd post across all these platforms. You never know where it might go viral. In this tutorial, I also used the dialogue concept. Do you like it? Let me know your thoughts and drop a comment below. Thanks for participating in our tutorial.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you soon!